today is about las nacionalidades. So that's the first thing you write in your cuaderno, las nacionalidades. And what do you think nacionalidades are?
The nationalities.
Nationalities, okay? It's a cognate, un cognado, so it looks like what it is, las nacionalidades. And we're not going to talk about all of the nacionalidades. There are hundreds of nations, but we're just going to kind of focus in on certain ones, kind of the bigger ones, and as well as the ones that are Hispanic, okay? Spanish speaking. Now, you'll notice that not everyone on our list is going to be Spanish speaking. And also you'll notice that we don't have to write every single one on our list in our cuadernos because some of them are very obvious. So those are the ones that I feel like we're not going to need to like study. Okay, but the ones that we do need to study, Alemán and Alemana, that's the first one you're going to write down, Alemán and Alemana. And I know my marker's a little bit light, so I'll do this. This one means German, okay? Alemán and Alemana is German.
What's the difference between?
What do you think the difference is?
One's masculine.
Exactly.
Feminine and
Okay? Masculino, femenina. Okay? So one's masculine, one's feminine. German. Okay, so for the next one, this is one you don't have to write down. Let's see if you can figure it out. Argentino. Argentinian, okay, or Argentine is what you call that. So you don't have to write that one down. The next one, Canadiense. Canadian. But it's funky, right? So that's why we're writing it down. Canadian. So make sure that's on your list. Canadiense.
Looks so similar.
It is, yeah. The next one you don't have to write down. Chino. What do you think Chino is?
China.
Chinese. What about Colombiano? Colombian, okay. The next one I'm going to have you write down, Costa Ricense.
Costa Rica.
Costa Rican, okay. Costa Ricense. Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Okay. Oh, I'm in your way, sorry. Okay, Costa Ricense. What about Cubano? Cuban, okay. Dominicano? Dominican. So don't need to write those ones down.
Can I write that one down?
You can if you want, but keep up. Okay, the next one I am having you write down. Ecuadoriano.
Ecuador.
Why am I having you write that down?
Because it's
Because of the spelling.
Because the spelling changes on you. So it's kind of like heads up. The D turns to a T. So write that one down. Ecuadorian is what that is. Ecuadorian is Ecuatoriano or Ecuatoriana. Either way. Okay, the next one you should know, you probably know, so I'm not having you write it down, but it is kind of funky still. Español.
Oh.
Spanish, okay? So if someone is Español, they're Spanish,
Yeah.
okay? You've got it on your folder. You're like, I know about Español. Okay, the next one is super funky, and it includes all of us.
Americano.
Estadounidense, okay? That is someone who is from Los Estados Unidos, which is the United States, okay? I'm not gonna say that that's American. I'm gonna say that that's from the U.S. So that's why I'm writing that this way, from the U.S. How do you think I would say American? Americano, okay? And more specifically, usually we're considered Norte Americanos. And that's going to be one that we're going to get to, probably not today, because I think we're running out of time.
We are.
Yes. Okay. So we'll just finish up the rest of these real quick.
5 minutes.
Okay. Francés, what do you think Francés is?
French.
Okay. Guatemalteco. Guatemalan. It's on our list, though, because it's funky. Okay? Guatemalan. I think there's an E instead.
Yeah, maybe. I don't remember. What
Well,
would you
yeah.
go?
Yeah, Guatemalan. Okay, and then Inglés, we know is English, but it's also funky, so I went ahead and put that up here. Inglés or Inglesa, if it's a girl, and that is English. Inglés or Inglesa. Okay, the next one, Italiano.
Italian.
Don't need to put that on there. Japonés.
Japanese.
Japanese.
Oh.
I threw you off because the J sounds like a H. Okay, what about Mexicano?
Mexico.
Easy. Norte Americano?
North American.
Easy. Peruano?
Peruvian.
Peruvian. Okay, what about this one? Puerto Riqueño.
Puerto Rico.
Muy bien. So, Puerto
I thought we had that down.
We have Costa Rican.
Puerto Riqueño or Riqueña.
That's long.
Okay, it is long. Puerto Riqueño. So make sure that you got that Puerto Rican. And then the next one, this one's kind of funky, but it's kind of easy. Russo or Russa. Russian. Uh-huh. Russian. I should put this is Puerto Rican. Okay. All right, we just have one last one. Venezolano.
Venezuela.
Okay, so you don't need to write that one down either. Okay, any preguntas? Sí.
Are they capitalized?
They are not capitalized. Good,
Oh.
good pregunta. Mateo?
Have you noticed that when you put from the U.S., you highlighted dents?
Okay, here's what I'm actually highlighting. ENSE. Many of these have, I wasn't trying to get the D in there.
I was
The
making a
ENSE.
joke. I wasn't mad.
We're not dense. I like
Yes,
that though.
we are.
No, we're not.
There's
Okay,
a few
we're
of us.
dense.
So many of those have the ainse on the end, okay? And so that's something I was highlighting to show you, oh, that's something to keep in mind, okay? Okay, Margarita, if you could hit pause.